So, good morning, ma'am. And this is my documentary video about air quality and Puerto Princesa City. So, my observation on the issues on air quality and in Puerto Princesa City is that while Princesa enjoys a generally good air quality status due to extensive natural cover, making itself a proclaimed green city, its primary and persistent localized air pollution challenges stems from mobile sources, specifically the high volume of poorly maintained public utility tricycles. The core air quality issue in Puerto Princesa City is predominantly mobile source pollution with the urban center. So the status on the issues on air quality in Puerto Princesa City is currently rated as good, posing little to no risks to health while the present conditions are satisfactory. Historical issues have been linked to emissions from poorly maintained through stroke engines and tricycles and open burning, which can cause respiratory problems. So, in monitoring on the issues on air quality in Puerto Princesa City, according to AQI or Air Quality Index, the air quality in Puerto Princesa City is currently good, aligning to no risk to health. Implementation of laws on air quality in Puerto Princesa City. The implementation of air quality laws in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, is guided by national legislation like the Philippine Clear Act or RA 8749, with local efforts coordinated by the city government and the Palawan Council for Sustainable Development or PCSD. The city also focuses on sustainable development, noise reduction, and a comprehensive waste management systems to improve air quality in Puerto Princesa City. So, um, for me, yung implementation ng law sa Puerto Princesa City, yung sa air quality, and di pa masyadong na-implement at saka hindi pa sumusunod yung mga residents ng Puerto Princesa City na bawasan yung pollution sa air, lalo na sa, dapat sa future generation ay mawala na rin.